Let us solve a question on price ratio. The question is, your budget is such that if you spend your entire income, you can afford either 4 units of good X and 6 units of good Y, or 12 units of good X and 2 units of good Y. What is the ratio of the price of X to the price of Y? The options are being given. We need to find the correct answer. Okay, so what we are being given? We are being given income here and also two goods. Okay, and we are being told that let's first write the budget constraint, that is price of X times units of X plus price of Y times units of Y should be equal to income. Okay, so this is our budget constraint, that is price of good X times units of good X bought plus price of Y times units of Y purchased should be equal to the income. That means total income should get exhausted by spending on these two goods. Now what we are being told? We are being told if you spend your entire income, you can afford either 4 units of good X. Okay, so in place of X we have 4, so we have price of X into 4 plus and 6 units of good Y, so price of Y times 6 should be equal to total income, or if I write it in this fashion, 4 times price of X plus 6 times price of Y should be equal to the total income. Let us say this is equation first. Similarly, next scenario is that we can also afford 12 units of good X. So let's write this equation again. So we have price of X. In this scenario, we are able to purchase 12 units of good X. In place of X I have 12 plus and 2 units of good Y, so we have price of Y times 2, and here it should be also equal to the income. That means our entire budget should get exhausted. So if I rewrite it in this fashion, 12 times price of X plus 2 times price of Y should be equal to total budget of the consumer, which is the income here. Okay, I hope I am making sense. So let us say this is equation second. You can see here that the RHS of the two equations are same. Then we can equate LHS. Simple thing, if 2 is equal to Y, 3 is equal to Z, rather 2 is also equal to Y. Can I say 2 is equal to 3? I can say. Okay, I'm just giving a rude example here, or let me write it in this fashion. Let us say X is equal to 5 and Y is equal to 5. Okay, since RHS is same here, can I say X is equal to Y? Yes, I can say. That is the same thing which I want to convey here. RHS is same, we can equate LHS. That implies from 1 and 2, what we get? We have 4 times price of X. So let's write it here. 4 times price of X plus 6 times price of Y should be equal to this 12 times price of X plus 2 times price of Y. Okay, now let us transpose this for the first term to RHS and the second term on RHS to LHS. Okay, that means we have 6 times price of Y, transposing this it will get subtracted, 2 times price of Y should be equal to 12 times price of X, transposing this it will get subtracted, 4 times price of X. Okay, so here is 6 minus, since we have the like terms, we can subtract them. So 6py minus 2py is 4py is equal to 12px minus 4px is 8px. Okay, which implies transposing this py here and this 8 here, so we will get price of X upon price of Y is equal to 4 upon 8, which is equal to 1 upon 2. That is what the question was asking us, to find out the ratio of price of X to the price of Y, that is price of X upon price of Y. I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.